Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to cover a few things that you may not have thought you needed, but they are handy to have and they make your DSLR video life a lot easier. So you basically put it on here, and now what that does is when you're filming you can just pull focus it, so it's easier. If you can see that, kind of. So now that there, it's got a magnetic, that's basically me shooting video with it, and it gives you an extended view of the LCD, and for video work that's quite a good little setup. You can get a rig for it and everything just to make it extra, but that just clips off and it's a little magnetic casing. So now there you'll see what that does there. I've not quite tightened that off there properly, but there. So now I can have a mic on there, boom mic, and I can shoot or a small LED light. So it's a handy thing to have. That becomes tight. Loosen that, and then I can mount my light on there. So this will become my tripod light, just to put it off center, and reduces the amount of tripods you have to have around. Okay, so the last one is a 1/4 inch tripod screw. It's something that you use for adapting flash shoe mounts, but you'll see what I use it for is a number of different things. So I actually use it to put through a piece of wood so I can hold a LED light panel on that. I also use this adapter to put it on top of my camera, and you can actually use it to hold different accessories, so things that would need a screw mount as opposed to a hot shoe mount. So it's very handy in that sense, and I've got a bag full of these different types of adapters, and I'll put details in the description to show you that. But yeah, this is a quick overview of 4 things that are relatively cheap that you can actually use to make your DSLR video better. Hope this has been helpful for you. Keep an eye out for more videos to come.